linear programming. Hopefully you can read that problem there. Okay. The Wood Elk Carpentry Shop makes bookcases and cabinets. Each bookcase requires 15 hours of woodworking and 9 hours of finishing. The cabinets require 10 hours of woodworking and 4.5 hours of finishing. The profit is $60 on a bookcase and $40 on a cabinet. There are 70 hours available each week for woodworking and 36 for finishing. Okay, so ignore the question for now. What mathematics items do we have?
15 hours.
Okay, so we have 15 and 9, right? 10 and 4.5.
$16.
Okay, we're going to ignore the profit issues for now.
70.
Okay, which of those are a total?
36.
Okay, so those are going to form our inequalities, right? Whoa, that's not what I wanted. Okay, so we have bookcases. And what else was there? Cabinets. Okay. And what were our woodworking and finishing? See how I'm setting my table up? Okay. But the key there is to recognize those totals, 70 and 36. So what was the 70 a total for? Woodworking. So how many bookcase woodworking? 15? And cabinets? 10. Do you see the inequality forming now? Okay. What was the finishing numbers?
9 and 4.
9 and 4.5? What are my equations? Less than or equal. 70 is a maximum amount of time. And then
9 at 4.5 y.
there you go. Okay, now does it makes it look easy when I do it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. The key there, again, look for your total items. 70 total hours of woodworking tells me I need my woodworking hours all in one inequality. Okay. 36 hours total finishing tells me I need my finishing hours all in one inequality. All right. Do you want me to work it through with you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to rewrite them in y is less than or equal to. So subtract 15x over and then divide by 10. Yes, sir.
Would it be better to put the slope in number and decimal or fraction?
Yeah, I prefer fractions because it tells me I go down 3 over 2 or up 5 over 1. Decimals don't tell me that right off the bat. I mean, we can do it in our heads, but that's why I prefer fractions. Are you comfortable with that so far?
Yeah.
And is my math right?
Yes.
9, 18, 27, 30. Should be good. Okay. I'm gonna go by 2s because I see multiples of 2. Oh wait, hold on, that's a 7. I'm just gonna go by 1s. So I don't need this down here. Yeah, 10 would be good. And this is just extemporaneous stuff. Okay. Red and 7. Okay. I'll let you get caught up. Anybody need help? Good time for that. It doesn't matter in this one. Right, you mean the purple line?
Yeah.
Yeah, because our feasible region's actually inside the orange one, or the red one. So it doesn't matter where it hits. So I just tailed it off.
Did not load it on the
Shouldn't, no. 7 starts at 7, right? This one?
Oh, that's
And then down 3/2. Yeah, it shouldn't.
we should all be even vertices.
Yeah, we kind of set you up on these for that. And if you think about it, how can I make 4.5 bookcases? Right? So it should be whole numbers. Alright, what are my vertices? 2, 4, and 4, 0. So, alright, now we can go worry about our profit calculations.
So it's easier to just look at it, just exclude the profit.
I wouldn't even worry about it at first if you don't need to. If you can process all that information at once, that's okay. You can look at it. But if you want to ignore what you're maximizing or minimizing, that's okay.
It's like when you do it because of that profit, I get a kind of like checking profit.
Yeah, just ignore it.
It's not hard to calculate.
And that it'll tell you how many of each item should be produced to maximize profit. That means I can omit the profit sentence for now. Okay. So the profit on a bookcase is 60 and a 40 on a cabinet, right? So what is my equation?
Yeah.
60 Our bookcases are X. So
Yeah.
60X is 40 per Y. And then we can plug and chug with our vertices. $280 as well. My calculations right?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, so you actually get a pick, right? Lindsay, the profit is $60 per bookcase and $40 per cabinet. So $60 bookcases was X and $40 per cabinet was Y. So the maximum profit of $280 can be obtained with either zero bookcase, 7 cabinets, or 2 bookcases and 4 cabinets. Okay. Any questions? Yes, sir. Listen.
So when you have two of the next problem, you put both answers down.
Yeah, you basically have a choice.
Did you put or?
Or,
Or you can get it
yes.
wrong.
So, well, you get partial credit because you haven't told the whole story. Why would I not put and? Yeah, you can't do both. It's basic logic, right? And means both, or means one or the other. So, all right. So, let's see here. Finish number 4. And so number 4 on the sheet, I'm changing the homework, so if you're on Google Classroom, it's going to be different.
So homework's just number 4.
I'm going to minimize what I'm giving you from the book. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I
Or
thought
and
it.
then pick one of the evens. So homework's just
Please release the students to the next hour class.
2.7
Okay, there you go. 24 through 28 are review problems. So you only have 2. So you have number 4 on the worksheet, 2.7, number 5, and 24 through 28. I took at least 3 of those problems off of there, so you're welcome.
What are you supposed to do with the worksheet stuff?
Bring it tomorrow.
So will tonight or last night's homework not count for a grade?
We'll combine them tomorrow.
Okay.
Thanks for being good. Have a nice career day.